Okay, welcome back guys. In this video we're going to get our Google Places ID in our system so we can direct and drive our customers to that page if that's what we're working on. So in order to get this unique ID for your Places ID, you actually need to have an account with Google, and you need to have your business listed with Google. Okay, so I'll show you how to do that quickly. All you need to do is Google search Google My Business like I have done here, and this is the result. So click on this one here, Google My Business, alright, and it takes you through to the relevant page. Alright, so this is the page that you're looking for. Okay, so just sign in or go through the process of registering your business. It's really quick and easy. Once you've done it, Google will send you a postcard in the mail all the way from California, and it will have a PIN number on it, and you won't be able to activate your account until they can confirm that's your actual business address. Okay, so you don't have to list your business address in Google, but they need to know that you're a person and you're not trying to game the system. So you need to just jump through that hoop first and wait for that PIN, and once you have that, you can activate your account. Okay, so once you have done that, alright. Once you've done that, okay, and Google puts your business on the map with a PIN, we now need to find your local PIN and your ID. So the way we do that, okay, I'm just going to pull this screen up so I can show you the URL. This URL here is where you need to come, okay? Put that in your browser and find this page, okay? It's developers.google.com/places/place-ID, okay? Once you're on this page, you should be able to find your business, providing you have activated your account using your PIN with Google. So all you would do is type your business name in here. Alright, I'm going to just start typing and find the business, just to purely show you for the example. I'll choose landscapers. Landscape. Oh, here's one here. Alright. If this is the one, see, you just click on that and boom, it come up straight away. Alright. Now this is the unique code we want here, your place ID. Okay. You just need to copy. Let's take the whole thing. Just that line there, okay? Copy that. And you come back to your account here and paste it in there, and you are good to go. You save that, okay? If that doesn't work, you might just have to delete that part. I can't remember. It's been a little bit since I set the last account up, and if it doesn't work, that'll be the problem. But that's how you do that. Alright, it's nice and easy. It's definitely worth doing. Once you have your Google My Business account up and running, you can start driving your customers to it to leave you a review if that's what you choose to do. And that is your Google Places ID. Alright, any questions? Shoot us a message. See you in the next video.